It's not many carpet cleaners whose last name has become a verb in the industry, or at least among my peers anyway. Vacuuming a carpet to get this fine dust out. A lot of guys refer to as Wernering the carpet. It's kind of humbling knowing the caliber of cleaners that they are. Yeah, to have your last name become a verb. If they run into a carpet that they have to really clean well, they refer to it as Wernering the carpet, or the vacuuming part anyway. Sold a lot of these vacuums because of it too. I didn't. The company has. That's workhorse. That's the company name. A little bit more to do. Do some edging. Ready for the next step. Continuing to Werner it.